My Naija pipo, I don bring una ogbonge pidgin news tori. Make I yarn una 6 African pastors dem wey claim say dem be God and the way wey dem take end up. Number 1 na Kulu Reinfest Mayoka. Im call himself Messiah. Kulu Reinfest Mayoka aka Jesus of Zambia. Im die of hunger after when im try to fast for 30 days and 30 nights because he wan do the kind of fasting wey Jesus do, but im later die at the end. Number 2 na Jehovah Wanyonyi. Wanyonyi be first claimed to be God and the leader of the Lost Israelite Ministry, wey live for inside Chemororok village for Usingishu County. For inside 2015, im die of malaria at the age of 91. Dem know am well to be poor man and im marry more than 25 wives and 95 children. Number 3 na Daniel Abodiri. For inside 1991, Pastor Daniel Abodiri be try to do like Daniel for inside Bible, as he go enter lion cage for inside Ibadan Zoo, but lion chop am. After wey the zookeeper don warn am not to enter. Number 4 na Jesu Oyibo. About 70 years ago, im claim to be a living God. Jesu Oyibo, as dem dey call am, im die and not wake up again. As im don always dey talk, boast and promise im followers say im go die the 3rd day im go wake up again. According to the tori, the Maryland-based pastor wey get ogbonge courage wella, as im collect over 30 of im female members as im wife. Some of im followers dey live with am and the men dey sleep with each other wives. Number 5 na Malaika Agba. Born Olayinka Oladipupo, wey dem dey popularly call as Malaika Agba. Na she be the founder of New Jerusalem Church, Alafia Junction for Mushin. She get over 1,000 followers and worshippers wey dey call her Baba. Malaika Agba claim to be God Almighty, and na she create everything wey dey exist, the ones wey don exist and the ones wey go exist. She still dey alive and dey do her church. Dem be arrest her 2005 because of the death of one lady wey dey stay with her. Number 6 na Olumba Obu. For inside 1956, Olumba Obu start the Brotherhood of the Cross and Star. Im claim to be the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, but dem never see am for public place for so many years now. But people dey yarn say im don die since 2003, 3 years after when he hand over the mantle of leadership give him son wey be Roland. This na Pidgin News Network. We dey yarn Pidgin English, and na me MC NEHE na im yarn una this story.